Alright, good morning. We're out here at the ranch again. It's barbecue Sunday. What we're gonna do, I've already got it on. It's a whole chicken. We got in on a cooperative, and the chicken came from a Hooterite colony out of Montana. We bought a case of them from them, and so we're gonna smoke this up, kind of like what we did with the turkey that we had butchered out ourselves. This one I'm gonna do a little something different. I did put a little bit of butter on the inside, kind of like I did on the salmon. I put some butter on the inside and lemon pepper on the outside. We're going to go ahead and cook it up like that. And then, I think, after a little while of letting it cook up like that, I'm thinking I might just go and get a small tin can and maybe put a little bit of beer in it and put inside of it, and then we'll kind of do a beer can chicken, but I don't have any beer in a can, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully this tastes pretty good. Okay, so stay tuned. We went ahead and got a tin can, and we poured a little beer in it, and we're gonna go ahead and let that simmer up a little bit with that beer in there. That'll add moisture by the evaporation. And I'm gonna take some aluminum foil, gonna wrap it up a little bit, try to keep some of that moisture in it. It's been sitting here for a little over an hour trying to cook up, so hoping try to keep all that moisture in there that we have. The fire's been kind of hot. Need it to kind of cool down just a little bit. Then we'll just let that simmer and steam and see what happens. All right, so here it is. As you can see, we cooked up the chicken, little tin can that we put the beer in, cooked it up inside. We already ate. It was absolutely delicious. Not much left, but we are going to take the leftovers. We're going to wrap them up in foil and take them home. Starting to cool off a little bit. We had a really nice day. It was near 50 degrees. Kind of a little bit of a side note here. The person that we had bought the property from came out and showed me a few things that I will put into a future episode and show everybody. Some really cool stuff. Has to do with the foundation that I had showed you before. So in a future episode, I'm going to show you what he had showed me. It has to do with over there, kind of across the creek from the foundation that I had done the video on. some really cool stuff. And I'm going to also show you something that's out there on the south end of the property that I had found a long time ago, and something that I had alluded to in a previous episode. Anyway, we're going to get ready and go feed. We're going to go take care of the horses and cows and stuff, and kind of feeding early tonight since we got some appointments to take care of tomorrow. So anyway, we're going to start feeding, and join us a little bit on that little adventure. Alright, we're going to go ahead and load up some hay and take care of the horses and the cows, goats, sheep, pigs, and we're going to head home. Got some appointments tomorrow. Like I said, this is barbecue Sunday. It's probably not going to be put up until Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. But stay tuned, and we'll show you a few things. A couple new little things I found out about. So like I said, we had the old owner out here, and of course he had spent 25 years out here exploring, so he knew of a few things that I didn't quite know about or had seen quite yet. So stay tuned and we'll show you that stuff. Are you waiting for your hay, big boy?
Oh, don't give me the butt, big boy.
Here you go.
Big Ben!
Hiya, Big Ben. Ben. Wow, Dutch ain't gonna kick him off?
That's surprising. Now he is.
Oh, it's okay. He didn't do nothing.
Dutch, don't be a bully. Big, handsome boy. Big Ben!
Come on, Ben.
I know you're huge, but go over. Go over there.
Come on, boy. Come on.
Thump, 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 thump. Wish I had my tuba. Moo moo! She's back. She's doing good. What? Do you like the camera? You can't wait for your hay?
Hi, Moo. Hi, Moo Moo. Ready?
Hey, pull over here. I know. You want your food. You got a bunch of cheatgrass today, Moo.
What do we have for you this evening? Oh, wow. Look. It's more hay.
Yeah.
Maybe get you some more.
It's been so warm lately. Well, I haven't had to chip any water. That's good. We had to this morning. Not a whole lot, just a paper thin layer. Moo moo, I know, girl. She always wants hay. Big Ben. I brushed him out today. He rolled around in some dirt, so I walked in the pen and I started brushing him. I hope the fence isn't down anywhere. I hear it clicking. Don't look like it. Boo. Show off for the camera.
You ready for your food?
You want to show off?
Ready? You ready, Boo Boo?
What the heck? Now that it's
You ready,
actually
big boy?
recording. Now that it's actually recording, he's not doing anything. Hey, Boo. Look. Look. Boo Boo. Boo Boo. There you go. Now you're doing it. Nope, never mind. What? You were just bucking around and jumping and kicking. You're having so much fun.
What?
Are you sure, Boo? Are you sure? Well, there's been mice in here. Sit, Boo Boo, sit. Like our dog Copper.
There you go. Attaboy.
Okay. Bye, Boo!
Alright, so as we finish feeding, please comment, click that like button, smash that like button, and subscribe.
And this old camper.